Welcome to Financial Freedom Awaits. Embrace the lucrative world of appliance repairs. In a world where financial freedom seems like an elusive dream, there's a hidden gem of opportunity that promises not just prosperity, but a life of abundance. The world of appliance repairs, often overlooked, is a gateway to unlocking financial success while providing an essential service to countless households. Are you ready to break free from the chains of financial limitations and embark on a journey towards financial freedom? Let's delve into the lucrative world of appliance repairs and explore how it can reshape your financial landscape. The power of expertise in appliance repairs. Picture this. You're the go-to expert for homeowners grappling with malfunctioning appliances. From high-end refrigerators to humble washing machines, your mastery in appliance repairs places you in high demand. With each repair, you're not just solving technical issues. You're becoming the solution to a common household problem. This level of expertise establishes you as an indispensable professional in a market where quality service is highly valued. Satisfaction as the foundation of financial stability. Customer satisfaction isn't just a fleeting goal, it's the bedrock of your financial stability. As you deliver top-notch service, you build trust and loyalty among your clientele. These satisfied customers become your advocates, generating a steady flow of repeat business and referrals. The power of word of mouth cannot be underestimated, and your dedication to customer satisfaction paves the way for consistent income streams that grow over time. Empowering entrepreneurship in appliance repairs. Starting a business might seem like a daunting task, but the entry barrier is surprisingly low in the world of appliance repairs. Armed with minimal startup costs and guided by the right resources, you can set foot on the path to establishing a profitable appliance repair enterprise. This journey is about empowerment, taking control of your financial destiny and becoming the captain of your ship. With the right mindset and resources, financial freedom is not just a dream, but a tangible goal. The Toolbox of Success. Your toolkit isn't just a collection of tools. It's your ticket to financial empowerment. As you hone your skills in diagnosing and repairing appliances, your confidence will soar. From deciphering complex technical issues to executing seamless repairs, your toolkit becomes an extension of your expertise, allowing you to confidently address a diverse range of appliance challenges. Transforming lives one repair at a time. Your impact stretches beyond mechanical fixes. It extends to enhancing the lives of individuals and families. Imagine the gratitude you'll witness as you restore an essential appliance to its optimal state. Your work isn't just about fixing machines, it's about alleviating stress, restoring convenience, and improving the quality of life for those you serve. Each repair becomes a testament to your ability to effect positive change. Efficiency as the path to profitability. Efficiency is the cornerstone of maximizing profits. By efficiently managing appointments, optimizing operations, and streamlining your workflow, you can tackle multiple repair jobs in a day. This isn't just about increasing your income. It's about enhancing your business's competitive edge. In a fast-paced world, clients appreciate efficiency, and your ability to deliver prompt, effective service further cements your reputation. The road to financial freedom. Imagine a life where financial constraints are replaced with endless possibilities. Embracing the world of appliance repairs opens the door to a world where financial freedom is attainable. With a thriving business, a reputation for excellence, and a dedicated customer base, you'll find yourself on a path to prosperity. Ready to begin? Are you prepared to seize this golden opportunity? The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step: embracing the world of appliance repairs. Equip yourself with knowledge, refine your skills, and discover the art of entrepreneurship in this lucrative field. Your ticket to financial abundance is here, waiting for you to take the plunge. Visit www.catcon.com to kickstart your journey towards financial freedom today. Unleash your potential and embrace the lucrative world of appliance repairs. Your path to a life of abundance begins now. To embark on this transformative journey, visit www.catc1.com to begin your path to financial freedom today. Always be learning. Be blessed.